Hi all you roller skaters out there. This is the third segment of our series on how we are making our mini ramp. This is going to be so fun to do when we finally get it finished, and we're so looking forward to skating it. So in this video we're going to be talking about foundation and how to deal with different foundations. It's not always a perfect world out there, and, so finding a location for your ramp is pretty important. In our case, we have a raised pad that doesn't quite fit the entire ramp, but most of it does. And some of y'all's cases, you may have a hillside you're working with. Perfect scenario is probably maybe concrete pad. You may have a wood deck. Who knows? There's different variety situations. You want to look for good drainage, whatnot, and all that. So again, in our case, we had this raised pad of pavers, and we want an 8-foot flat bottom. So this is not 8 feet right here. They're a little spread apart. I'm going to bring this side in. But as you can see here, we've finished our four transitions, or 4 quarter ramps. We have two 8-foot wide and 2 4-foot wide. Okay. I didn't really discuss how to make the 4-foot in the last video, but basically all you do to make the total width of this ramp 4 feet is basically you got to cut your 2x4s down to 3 foot 10.5 inches, as you can see right there. Cut them all 3 foot 10.5 inches, and then when you screw them all together to your plywood, you'll have a perfect total 4-foot wide area, okay, a 4-foot wide ramp, right? So we've done that now. So in our case, the next step is getting our ramp level. So in this case here, we had to start with these 4-foot posts, basically concrete them into the ground, and
let me go have a look.
We'll have a go look, okay? So basically what I did is took a 4x4 and a pole, a pole hole digger, and dug down 2 feet and cemented these 4x4 posts in and leveled them out so that they are nice and square and level. And then you just set your concrete and get them set it in so they're nice and sturdy. Basically, Jazz can get a good shot of that. You can see the post is nice and level there. So how I had to figure out where to put these is again, in between the 8-foot wide section, you've got a measurement of 7 feet 10.5. So I had to put the outside of each post, right there. Right there to here is 7 feet 10.5 inches. It was not easy to do this. I had to actually pour the concrete down, fill it with water, and just play around, move these posts around until I got them right there where they had to be. And you can see they're nice and level. So it's pretty cool. So we'll go around the back, go around this side here. And as you can see here, they are pretty level. It's level there. So we got a level foundation here. It's level this way. So now this side is tied in. I'm gonna fix these. See these are separated a little bit, a little bumpy there. That's because we got some delaminated pieces of wood here. We got a good deal on these, but I'm gonna glue them. I've got them clamped over there and glued in. I'll do the same thing here. And then I'm gonna smooth all this up so it's nice and smooth. And then we're gonna end up, in the next video, we're gonna do the flat bottom here. So flat bottom's gonna be 8 feet wide, 8 feet this way. So anyway, this little video was basically discussing the foundation and getting your ramp level, and basically that's very important to have your ramp level so that you're not like going fast down one way or whatever, slower the other way. So we just hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, please hit that like button, and for more content, hit the bell. And as always, we appreciate you guys checking out our videos. We just want to keep helping you guys figure out what we have learned, and hopefully it helps improve your skating experience. So once again, thanks again you guys for checking us out. Until next time, we'll see you then. Later.